Michael Jackson has always flaunted his image as a modern-day Pied Piper, a fondness for children born out of the childhood he says he never had. So perhaps it shouldn't be surprising that recently the King of Pop made a late-night visit to a video store, seeming particularly fascinated by the kids section.
Michael was like a little kid on Christmas morning. I mean, the way he was shopping in there.
Cameraman J.D. Legier shot this exclusive footage of the gloved one shopping spree at Dave's Laser Place in L.A. Legier says Jackson showed up in rather conservative wear, other than wearing the unnecessary dark glasses. The Thriller received the red carpet treatment at the store, which was kept open after hours so the embattled pop star could shop in privacy without paparazzi.
He was followed by an employee with a bin on a cart, and then he just handed Laserdisc after Laserdisc to the employee.
Jackson got dozens of Laserdiscs costing about $40 a pop. Included in his selections was Disney's Goofy movie.
The great outdoors to strengthen the bond between father and son.
He also seemed mesmerized by a video playing on the store big screen while he shopped, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. But one of Jackson's choices was much more serious.
And one of the movies that Michael Jackson selected was called The Cure, and it's about a young boy with the HIV virus.
She's afraid that they might not find a cure in time.
The King of Pop clearly enjoyed himself and made no attempt to keep his shopping spree secret. And when his hour-and-a-half visit was over, Jackson simply left the store, driven away into the night by his chauffeur.